What if the greatest mystery of human history isn't something we built, but something or someone that visited us? Imagine standing in the ancient world thousands of years ago. There were no machines, no electricity, no modern tools, yet all around you massive structures rise into the sky, perfectly aligned with the stars, built with a precision that still confuses modern engineers and archaeologists. Civilizations that, according to conventional history, should have been primitive, somehow achieved extraordinary feats. They built structures, developed knowledge, and even understood the cosmos in ways that seem far beyond what humans could accomplish with simple tools and limited technology. Now ask yourself one question: did humans really do all of this alone, or were we visited? The idea that extraterrestrial beings might have come to Earth in ancient times has fascinated researchers, scientists, and explorers for decades. At first glance, it sounds like science fiction, but when you begin looking at the evidence, the mystery becomes harder to ignore. The most obvious place to start is with the monumental achievements of ancient civilizations, structures that defy logic and challenge everything we think we know about human history. Take, for example, the pyramids of Giza. These awe-inspiring structures were built over 4,500 years ago. The Great Pyramid, in particular, is aligned almost perfectly with true north, something that requires sophisticated knowledge of astronomy. Its stones, some weighing several tons, were transported and placed with a precision that still baffles modern experts. How could ancient builders, without cranes, pulleys, or modern machinery, move these massive stones, perfectly align them, and construct something that would last for millennia? Mainstream historians argue that human ingenuity, time, and a massive workforce are sufficient explanations. Yet the theory of ancient visitors proposes another possibility: that these feats may have been achieved with guidance from beings far more advanced than humans of that era. And Egypt is not alone in its mysterious constructions. On the other side of the world, in South America, at Sacsayhuaman, enormous stone blocks are fitted together so perfectly that you cannot even slide a piece of paper between them. These stones, some irregular in shape, interlock in a way that defies traditional construction techniques. Even with today's modern tools, reproducing this level of precision would be extremely difficult, prompting questions that mainstream archaeology struggles to answer. Then there are ancient texts, carvings, and artworks. Across multiple civilizations, humans recorded strange encounters, figures descending from the sky, wearing unusual outfits, often depicted as gods. In Mesopotamian mythology, there are stories of the Anunnaki, a group of powerful beings said to have descended from the heavens and interacted directly with humans. Some researchers interpret these myths not as pure legend, but as possible accounts of actual encounters with advanced visitors. In ancient India, texts like the Vedas describe flying machines called vimanas, vehicles capable of traveling through the sky with remarkable speed and power. In Mesoamerican cultures, gods were often associated with the stars, sometimes depicted as coming from above, teaching humans or guiding them in ways that transformed civilization. Across continents and cultures, similar stories appear. Different locations, different peoples, similar ideas. Beings from the sky interacting with humans. Coincidence or a pattern? Perhaps these legends contain fragments of truth. Perhaps they reflect a time when humans were not alone, when knowledge was shared by visitors from beyond our world. Some theorists argue that ancient humans may have been guided, taught the secrets of engineering, astronomy, mathematics, and agriculture by advanced beings who later became mythologized as gods. But there is another way to look at this. What if humans were simply far more capable than we give them credit for? What if these achievements were developed independently through observation, intelligence, and trial and error over thousands of years? Scientists and historians point out that while these ancient accomplishments are astonishing, they remain within the bounds of human potential. No aliens required. Yet even with this perspective, the level of precision, knowledge, and foresight required raises questions that continue to challenge our understanding. Consider the astronomical alignments of ancient structures. The pyramids of Giza, for example, align with Orion's belt. Stonehenge in England aligns with solstices, and ancient temples in South America and Asia align with celestial bodies with incredible accuracy. Could humans of that time have developed such understanding purely by trial and error? Or is it possible that knowledge was passed to them by something or someone beyond our current understanding? Even the mathematics required to design these structures is highly advanced, suggesting a depth of knowledge unusual for the era. then there's the possibility that some of this knowledge was lost over time. Many ancient civilizations vanished, leaving behind ruins, inscriptions and legends, but little evidence of their scientific or technological achievements. If visitors had shared knowledge, perhaps it was a fleeting interaction, a brief window of guidance that humans retained, misunderstood, or mythologized as deities. This would explain why extraordinary feats appear suddenly, seemingly without the gradual buildup of technology that we expect in history. And what about unexplained artifacts? Items that seem far beyond the capabilities of the people who made them, or that resemble modern machines in design, yet date back thousands of years. Some are dismissed by mainstream archaeology as anomalies or hoaxes, but their existence fuels the debate. Were these artifacts evidence of early human ingenuity, or traces of something else, something external? Ultimately, whether we were visited or not, these mysteries force us to question the story we've been told about our past. They challenge us to look beyond conventional explanations and to imagine that the story of humanity is far richer, far stranger, and far more interconnected with the cosmos than we could have ever realized. Every stone, every text, every legend asks the same question: were we alone, or were we guided in ways that history has only hinted at? And imagine if one day we discovered clear evidence, artifacts, inscriptions, or something undeniable, proving that ancient visitors came to Earth. It would rewrite human history, changing how we view ourselves, our past, and our place in the universe. It would suggest that the story of humanity is part of a larger story, a story that stretches beyond Earth itself. Until that day comes, the mystery remains, hidden in ancient stones, in lost texts, and in the stars above us, waiting for those curious enough to look closer. If this exploration of the ancient mysteries and the possibility of visitors from beyond our world has sparked your curiosity, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. There is much more to discover. And every mystery we uncover brings us closer to understanding the greatest question of all. Are we truly alone, or have we always had help from the stars? History may not just be a story of humanity, it could be a story of the universe, intertwined with beings, knowledge and events we are only beginning to comprehend.